this is Nikki. Welcome back to Nikki's Homemade Crafts YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to crochet the wide checker stitch. The wide checker stitch features only two basic crochet stitches, the single crochet and the double crochet. I'm going to be using Premier's cotton sprout worsted yarn, and I'm also using a 4mm crochet hook. If you're part of the January 2024 Mystery Crochet Along, which focuses on stitches and a quick pattern at the very end, then be sure to check out the written instructions to know exactly how many stitches you're going to need for part 2 of this project. Remember, you have a few different ways to get the written tutorial. You can go directly to my website, see it for free with ads, or you can join my membership called the Crochet Club. You can join as a monthly, quarterly, or annual member. In order to crochet the wide checkered stitch, crochet a chain of a multiple of 5 or 10, depending on how you want to finish up the row, plus 1. So let's be clear why I said either a multiple of 5 or 10. You're going to start the project with 5 single crochets. If you want to finish the row with 5 single crochets as well, you're going to need to make a chain with a multiple of 10 plus 5 and then plus 1 for the turning chain. If you're going to start with 5 single crochets and finish with 5 double crochets, then you're just going to make a multiple of 5, but make sure it's divisible by 10. And of course, plus 1 for the turning chain. To start out this project, as I just said, you're going to start with 5 single crochets. Start from the second chain from the hook and crochet 1 stitch per stitch, 5 in total. That turning chain does not count as a stitch. Now for the next 5 stitches, you're going to crochet 1 double crochet per stitch. And now you're going to repeat that. 5 single crochets, then 5 double crochets. Repeat this pattern until the end. Once you're done, it's going to look like this. For my swatch, I made a multiple of 10 plus 1, so that means I started with 5 single crochets and I finished with 5 double crochets. Now turn your work. Now you're going to do the opposite stitch of what you're seeing, and you're doing that for every stitch as well as every row. For my first 5 stitches, I see double crochet stitches, which means I'm going to crochet single crochet stitches. So 1 on top of each double crochet stitch, I will be placing 1 single crochet stitch. Once I've done that, I see that in the next 5 stitches in the previous row, I have 5 single crochet stitches, which means I'm going to crochet 5 double crochet stitches, 1 per stitch. Now you're going to repeat this pattern until the end of the row, and then you're going to turn. You're going to repeat row 2 until you're finished with your project. Remember, if you're part of the January 2024 Mystery Crochet Along that focuses on stitches that turn into a quick pattern in the end, be sure to check out the written instructions so you know how many rows you need to crochet for this project. That is part 2. Be sure to share your picture into my Facebook group called Crocheting with Nikki with the corresponding hashtag. Now remember, I have a membership called the Crochet Club, and it has over 400 ad-free patterns with checkoff boxes and additional tutorials, VIP access to me teaching you every single week what you want to be taught. Whether it's stitches, tips, amigurumi, little patterns, or anything else, on a monthly basis, we vote on what you want to see the next month, and every week I go live and teach you exactly what you want to be taught. So come join my membership if you want to get my patterns ad-free and get a really fun community with it, as well as me teaching you exactly what you want to be taught. I'll see you in the membership. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video. Be sure to like, comment, and share this video, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the bell to get a notification next time I publish a new video or go live. Now go ahead and watch the next video. I'm sure you want to. I'll see you next time. Bye.